Welcome back to my channel.
I wanted to make some Christmas pillows for my house this year. I'm changing my colors on my Christmas tree, and this is the pillow we're going to be making in this video. You'll need some kind of material for your pillow. Also, I got these felt craft sheets from Walmart. They were like 28 cents a piece. I'm going to use those for the leaves in my wreath. And also, I cut out some of these leaves. I just cut out a bunch to see how many would fit on one of these sheets. And I got 23 out of each sheet. So first you're just going to cut out all of your leaves. I used 3 sheets and a total of about 70 of these leaves to do this project. Cut 2 squares of your material at least 1 inch wider and 1 inch longer than the pillow that you're going to be using. You want to put a mark in the center of your square. Then from the center you'll measure out about 6 or 6.5 inches and draw a circle to serve as a guide to place the leaves that are going to be your wreath. Then you'll just start placing the leaves around the circle. You can place them any way you'd like. I worked backwards so I could overlap mine, but place them any way you'd like. I went back in and placed some more of the leaves in places I thought were not full enough, and you can do that as well until you're happy with the way yours looks.
Okay, so at this point you can hot glue all these in place.
Option would be to sew each leaf into place using a thread about the same color as your leaves. It's going to give it a little bit nicer look and a more store-bought look if that's what you're going for. So I installed a zipper on my pillow. You don't have to do this. You can enclose this any way you like. The zipper so it would be easy to put on and take off if I ever wanted to change it out. The other 3 sides I sewed all the way around them, leaving 1/2 inch seam allowance. I got these little pom-poms at Walmart. They were 97 cents, and I thought they would be really cute to serve as the berries for this wreath.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel to check out more videos in the future. My next video, I hope to make a table runner to match this pillow, and I hope you'll check it out. So I'll see you next time.